Okay, good morning, class 6. So, children, today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create a table or a tabular presentation in Microsoft Word. All right. So, children, this is chapter 3. Since we had already done the theoretical part of chapter 3 and chapter 4, so today I would like to show you how to create a table in Microsoft Word. Okay, so have a look at this video properly, and if you have a computer at home, children, please try to practice this. Okay, so here, this is Microsoft Word, this is table. Okay, so this is chapter 3. We have already done chapter 3, but we had done the theoretical part only. Today I'm going to show you how to insert table, right, in Microsoft Word. All right, so this is a table. You will get this table menu from insert button. Okay, click on insert and click on table. So children, these are table grid. Okay, creating a table using a table grid. So here 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So accordingly you can insert table, like how many columns and how many rows you want. You can select it and you can insert table. So this is how to insert a table using a table grid. All right, so now there's one more way, insert table using an insert table option. Okay, so children, have a look at this also. So here you can customize your table using an insert table. So click on insert table. Here one dialog box appears where it asks you how many columns and how many rows you want exactly. Okay, number of columns you can select it, and number of rows you can select it. Click on OK. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So this is how you insert a table using an insert table. Now there's one more option, children. Insert table using draw table. This is one more table option. So here you have to draw a table with the help of a pencil. All right. So this is a pencil. You can draw table. All right. You can draw lines. This way. Okay. This is how you draw lines using draw table. So there are three options to insert table. As I told you, one is insert table using grid table, one is insert table, and one is table draw table. All right. Now, once you have created a table, so if you want to insert one more column or one more row, all right. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. So what you want to insert a column in between these two, then click here. Again, you have to go to insert, go to layout, insert left. Okay, so this way you get one more column, and if you want a row, then you have to click on insert above. So this way you get columns and rows. So these options you will get it from the layout. Okay, now after you finish creating a table, what you need to do is you need to insert the data of the table. Monday, Tuesday. So you just type the data inside the table. So you can use a tab key. Okay, if you want to move your cursor from one column to another column, you can use the tab key. Okay, now after you finish editing, or after you finish writing the data in a table, you select this and you can format your table text. Like, you can change the size of your text, you can change the color of your text. Okay, change the color of the text, change the size of the text, make it bold. You can do whatever changes you want to make inside the table. All right, so this is how you create a table in Microsoft Word. All right, so I'm going to show you one more time. Go to File, New, Document. So children, here go to Insert Table. insert table. Here I'm going to insert four columns and two rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 1, 2 rows. So here I'm going to write Monday, tab, then you write Tuesday, then you write Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday. Okay, so this way you write, enter the data, and here you can start. Suppose you have English and Monday. So this way you can enter data. Now you want one more columns. Click here, go to layout as I told you, insert below. This way you insert a data. If you want one more here, you want to write a column where you want to write Friday, then go to layout. Then you have to write insert right. So here you can write Friday. This is the simplest way to create a table when you're working in Microsoft Word. Okay, children. So this much for today. In my next class, I'm going to demonstrate you again chapter 4, which we had already done. That is mail merge. I've done the explanation part. I will demonstrate you how to insert a mail merge in Microsoft Word again. Okay, so have a look at this video properly, and if possible please try to create a table at least and try to create your class timetable. All right, thank you class.